Breathe.
Where's your boy,
Him? Yeah, sick. Bucket. Something big at work.
I'm like, did you do the show?
Hey,
Yeah.
like boy.
Where should they go?
Change weather all the time makes me sick. Can't wait to spring. I'll be really sick. With allergies too. It's killing me now. It's allergies and not spring.
How can that kill you?
It can kill me. This makes me stronger. I'm saying it's gonna kill me with coughing and sneezing.
Oh, you better stay away from me. Shame.
Pain. Jesus. I have to mop these floors. I already mopped them in last week. And mop them again. And I get more solution today. That's why it's dirty. It's all dirt from the sand outside and the snow. Gets everywhere somehow. Gets on dogs' paws and makes dogs spread it. On my own feet.
I don't know.
And my wife. I'm tired of it. Tired of coughing in my sleep. Sneezing. Surprised I haven't sneezed yet, but I will.
How did you make sure of that?
Yes, I did.
And
So what?
like you said,
Yeah. Someone kill me now. Hot. And it comes out all stuffed. Oh my fuck.
I love my hubby.
My wife.
You better come in with me, dudes.
Yes.